Karen, welcome to the Seasons of Living. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sourdough pancakes using 100% whole wheat flour and using 100% whole wheat sourdough starter. People ask me all the time if cooking with 100% whole wheat is really as delicious as just using like bread flour. And I would say that if you use sourdough, it's even better. So today, these pancakes, we want to make sure that they are 100% whole wheat in every, with our starter and our flour. So I always start my pancakes in this bowl. To make our sourdough pancakes, the first thing is we're going to put our sourdough starter in our bowl. And I remember my little tip is you always dip your measuring cup in water so that your sourdough starter won't stick. Our sourdough starter to our bowl, which is half a cup of sourdough starter. And I like to use kefir or buttermilk when I make pancakes. So we're going to start off with a cup, and we'll see if we need to add more later. We probably will. A cup of kefir. I'm gonna mix that up. And this is what I would do the night before I was going to cook pancakes, or at least 8 to, at least 12 hours, something like that, before I'm going to cook them. If possible, if not, just, maybe 4. The longer, the better. I get this flour at Dripping Springs, Texas, at Barton Springs Mill. It's a 100% whole wheat mix. I'm going to put a couple of cups. I think we're going to need a little bit more kefir. Of course, you could use milk or buttermilk, but I like kefir. Since I have milk cows, lots of kefir around. Okay, so I'm just going to make this mixture, and I'm going to, I think it's going to even have to have some more. But we can wait and add that when we're ready to make our pancakes. So I'm just making a dough. Oh, it smells so good. The rouge flour has a little cinnamon undertones. Okay. There we go. I'm just going to set it aside. Put a lid on it, or a cloth, a tea towel would be fine. I'm going to leave it set aside until we are going to cook pancakes on our wood cook stove over at our farmstead house. So I'm just going to set these aside for a while and let them soak and ferment and let the sourdough do its magic. Okay, we will be back when we're ready to put our pancake batter together. Hi, welcome back. We're ready to finish our 100% whole wheat pancake batter recipe. It's been about 12 hours since we started it. It's been fermenting, and we are over at Farmstead House, and we are going to cook these pancakes on our wood-fired stove. So let's finish our recipe. This is what our beautiful pancake batter looks like right now. It's got lots of air bubbles, beautiful, looks very fermented, smells very good. So to finish this, I think that it's a little, I like to use a whisk, it's still pretty thick for pancake batter, see? So the first thing I like to do is I like to go ahead and add my liquid. So I'm gonna get everything set up on the wood cook stove and we'll be back. What we're looking for is bubbles that have kind of dried. And when we see that, that's how you know when you're supposed to turn your pancakes. Our 100% whole wheat sourdough pancakes with blackberries look delicious. I cannot wait to try them. I hope that you will try this recipe. Eating 100% whole wheat is very delicious and has lots of health benefits. As long as you ferment using sourdough, then it makes the nutrients a lot more available. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more on farmstead living. From our Texas Hill Country farmstead to you, have a blessed day and see you soon.